might kill. But I back it up though. Like I'm trying to figure out where they might go.
Y'all, so welcome back again to my channel. It is a new day. I am getting ready to head to my hair appointment, as you saw in the last video. Make sure y'all go check that last video that I uploaded yesterday. It's now up, it's live. Y'all, let me tell y'all a quick story about what happened. So I put a countdown on Instagram and let all my people know on Instagram that it's a new vlog coming out, right? I'm supposed to be able to upload it no later than 5 o'clock because I wanted people to watch it while they are, you know, at home chilling and stuff, getting ready for Monday, the week, Christmas week, whatever. Y'all, I did not upload that video until 8 o'clock at night. Like, oh yeah, that's not bad. I uploaded it and the quality was on 360p. So for people that don't know about 360p, it was like the lowest quality that you could ever like upload. And I was like, I'm just like, what is going on? Like, my videos usually 720p, and I tell people when I post it on Instagram, watch in 720p so you can get like the HD experience. Y'all, I uploaded that video 6 times. I deleted it and uploaded it six times. I was just up until like 2 a.m. trying to get this video up because I like to, you know, stay consistent and be a woman of my word. Oh, I was just like, bro, I cannot sleep unless this video is uploaded. It's gonna really mess with my Virgo moon, okay? For people that know about sun, moon, and rising signs and all that, and Virgo placements, when a Virgo placement have something in their head and they see it and envision it, that's what we want to do. So my Virgo moon was not finna let me go to sleep. So I finally got it uploaded at 2 a.m. and it's uploaded. So make sure y'all go check out that video. Basically, it was me preparing for this week, which is Christmas. And you know, our family are going to Florida for Christmas this year. So we have just been preparing and all that to get ready to go out of town on Wednesday. So I am currently preparing to get this hair of mine washed. It's a little wet, and y'all, it's giving cat hair, y'all. It's stringy because it got a whole bunch of oils and greases and all that stuff, I guess, from the products I put on my body. I guess it got in my hair. So, and of course I want to look nice for Christmas, so I am going to head out to my hair appointment. But first, I wanted to let y'all know I got this cute bracelet in the mail. Oh my god, it matches my ring. So of course, y'all, I will be linking that down below, because I don't gatekeep products and items and jewelry and stuff. I don't gatekeep it. If somebody like, oh girl, where you get that from, I'm gonna tell them, because I will want the same thing. I don't know, I just don't be gatekeeping stuff. Yeah, I have on my black college hoodie. It's a patch on the arm too. It's so cute. I will link this down below too, but you know, they sell out fast because celebrities are onto it now. You know, link it down below, but if it's sold out, it's sold out. You can probably have to just wait till they restock. But yeah, so I have on this, my little jewelry. I got it from Amazon. I have a turban on because, girl, what's up and what's under here cannot be seen, okay? So I just wanted to start the video off and let y'all know that I'm taking y'all to my hair appointment. So again, I'm going to stay, and I will link her stuff down below as well. Yeah, so oh my god, like, I just realized this will be the first video Vlogmas. Happy Vlogmas. So I hope y'all stay tuned for this 2-part Vlogmas special. Oh my god. Hey y'all, so I'm currently under the dryer. I'm getting a side part this time. Trying something different, y'all. I haven't had a side part since college. Used to wear my closures and my leave outs. So we are doing a side part custom mask from Shay Designs.
I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, baby. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we could get it on, yeah. We could get it on, yeah. Do you like it, boy? I want, what you want, want. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, want. Come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy, boy. Come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy, boy.
Hey y'all, so I am at home. This is the finished product of my hair. I decided to go with a side part. I did have a middle part as y'all saw, but your girl wanted something different because it's Christmas and it's also Vlogmas, so I wanted to give something different. I guess I will catch y'all when it's time to go to Florida on Wednesday. So
I'm off on other options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. Something that makes me look at you too often. Maybe you can give us something.
hey y'all, so I am back at home. As you can see, we went back to where we was in the last video. Y'all, it wasn't as packed as before. You could tell it was like the last group of people trying to get their gifts. So some lashes. These are usually the lashes that I wear between these and the wispy ones, and they're by 3D La Flare Cashmere. Next thing I use this if I really want like a really beat glam. We'll use this first before my foundation. It's just a color corrector, that makes sense. So any blemishes and dark areas around the perimeter of your face or whatever, you can use these. I personally use orange because I feel like using orange on top of foundation, I don't want to look like Oompa Loompa. So I use brown. I use my skin tone. I'm brown. So in the shade Beautiful Bronze. So roll-on oils, y'all. When I tell y'all, these roll-on oils be staying all day long. I promise y'all, they just stay on your skin. These are my guilty pleasures. I like to get, and they're very, very affordable. So anybody can get them if they wanted to and try them out. Dot by Marc Jacobs. I wouldn't say strawberries, but strawberry lemonade that's in a perfume, but it's not artificial smelling. Like very pleasant. And the second one I got is Be Delicious. Personally, my favorite one is by DKNY, and it literally smells like apple, but it's not, again, artificial. And last but not least, I got the Gabbana Light Blue. Y'all, when I tell y'all I smelled this perfume, Fresh Lemon Tree by the beach. I know that sounds really like, what girl, how lemon tree is by the beach, but if I had to explain it to y'all, like, that's what it smells. It has that ocean like scent with lemons, and it's like, it's fresh lemon tree by the ocean. Like, I know that's like, girl, that don't make no sense, but that's how I can explain it to you. And honestly, I will put this oil on, and then spray the perfume, and that's how you make your scents powerful and stay all day. If you have the body oil in the perfume, it's gonna stay strong all day, even though the perfume most likely is gonna be strong itself. But who does not want to be extra? So, because I know I do. So yeah, that's all I got from the beauty supply store. We'll catch y'all on Wednesday when it's time to go to Florida and go out of town. So yeah. Hey y'all, welcome back. Currently Wednesday morning. It is like, I think like 5 something, and we are getting ready to pack the car up. So just wanted to check in with you guys to let y'all know that we are about to pack the car up to get ready to head on to Florida. Y'all, my niece, she's so excited. She got on Skims. Let me see your Skims. Okay, Skimmy.
So busy material. She wants to know.
It wasn't that long of a ride. It was about like 4 hours and 30 minutes to the part of Florida that we are currently in. But of course, I gotta give y'all house tour. Okay, so let's start in the bathroom. So we got one of the bathrooms here. Just simple bathroom with lighting up here. Oh wait. Period. The laundry. When you do all that there, we got bags here. Then this is the pool. It's LED lights, so it changes color.
20 with Ron, 20 with us.
And that's my brother.
You know what I'm saying?
That's the
what's going on? Just the bell hop.
We got a bathroom in here with a shower. Then we got a room here. Then that's the elevator.
Look at you.
Then we got the kitchen here. And then that's the pool, period. And that's my favorite color, is purple. And then you got the bar outside where you can grill and stuff. Out there you can sit. Then you got the kitchen. Got the refrigerator. Hey, Yolanda. Hello. That's my auntie.
Okay.
My OCD sister.
Okay, hello.
JADA. What you want to tell Joe Biden?
What I want to tell Joe Biden?
Yeah. Perfume.
Hello, mate.
Then this is the outside. Mimsy. Mom.
Oh, yeah.
So, this the outside, the surrounding areas. The stairs are up there, but I'm gonna see if I can get on the elevator. Y'all, I decided to take the stairs. Oh, the door was open, that's right. I kind of figured that. This is another bedroom in here. I think these are my parents' room. They got their little balcony out here. And this is how it looks from the view of the stairs. Y'all, I'm out of breath. And there's the TV. Oh, this is nice. They got a tub. They got a view of outside. They got a his and hers sink. Huge shower. And I'm guessing that's the window to view outside next door. Toilet. Period. Y'all, look at these stairs. Y'all, it's ready. open the door. Where the light at?
That's all I'm looking for.
Royal destinations with the net. Oh, God. This is me, Ro. She's being a fatty, looking at food. Let's get the bill. So I'll check back in when we get settled.
Elevator.
It's giving scary.
It's not scary. It's very. It's very much giving my future house. Period.
Hey y'all, I'm finna make me. What's going on with my hair? I'm finna make me a cocktail. Ain't no glasses. I think I'm gonna do Tito's. So yeah, that's what
I was a young girl though.
he's showing that.
I was younger than that. I was
Joe Byron. Bing bong.
What's up? Take me out to dinner.
over there. I'm
It's Uncle Charles.
glad to be here. Finally.
It's a family affair.
Y'all ever seen that TikTok? It be like, let's get the bill per the crab roll. We call it junk pot because it's literally all seafood in a pot. And so everybody likes my sauce, so I just made the sauce. Y'all, it's busting periods. Yeah.
Good.
Jada, I mean Shenavia, what the freak?
When the red dot on, that's how you know. It's still on right.
See, mine's just
The sauce, the shrimp,
The seasoning.
that's my dog.
You really spicy.
Yeah, I'm getting crazy. Triple deal, baby. Triple deal.
They said, what's that?
Porter, you do hookah? So yeah, this is a blanket that I reviewed my last video. It's currently 11:09. Yeah, so I'm probably just finna like scroll on TikTok and stuff, and I will check back in with y'all tomorrow.
Take care of me. Talk all day, then at night falling deep. Stimulate me.
Hey, good morning, you guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Christmas.
Girl.
And then you
Because you never gave me your.
mellow your mood to where
you don't really care about too much. Yeah, that's what I know.
Hey y'all, I know I look crazy right now, but I'm in the midst of taking my flexi rides down. But yeah, y'all, so y'all remember when I reviewed my Fashion Nova package at the end of my birthday vlog, my very first video? I'm wearing a jumpsuit, the chocolate jumpsuit from that package. It is The material is so good. And I see Fashion Nova coming through with the materials. So, right now I am just taking out these flexi rods. Huh? I'm telling y'all, I am getting good with the flexi rods. Like, but the only thing I hate about them is when I go to sleep, it be messing up my back, like in my neck. It's giving 80s Farrah Fawcett. Okay, I'm gonna take this scarf off to see how it's going. My bang is gonna like, let's see how the bang is. It's giving, okay. So I got my little Amazon necklace, bracelet, and my ring one. And the scent for today is, oh yeah, as y'all seen earlier when I was taking a shower, I have on the frankincense shea butter, and then I'm going to mix it with my Dossier perfume. Scent to be the replica version of Killian Love Don't Be Shy. So that's what I'm wearing today. But again, I'm gonna link the website down below. Dossier, y'all need to sponsor your girl, cause I be putting the kids on, okay? But yeah, go get that. It's the scent Floriental Marshmallow. It smells really good. Yeah, I'm going to come back when I have the full outfit on, cause I'm trying to figure out some things, what to put on. So I'll come back. Y'all, so I am back with the flannel, and I'm probably gonna put on my brown, I don't want to put on my brown boots, honestly. So I don't know. And I have on, I already told y'all about these two. I'll link these two down below again. This is in my last video, my flannel from Target that was on sale for $20. And chocolate jumpsuit, I'll link that down below too. But go check out my first video I posted on YouTube. It's in that description box. And hair by Stay and makeup by me. So I'll catch y'all when I'm like on the way to the bonfire. Hey y'all, so I have made it to the bonfire. We have made it back. Look at Jeffrey. We have made it to the bonfire. So I'm gonna give y'all a little quick B-roll of how the scenery looks. The sun is setting right now, so I'm going to show y'all how it looks. Make sure y'all go shop Tough Skin Scullies. They come in all different colors. Yeah. Perfume. For sure. Perfume. Anything you want to say, your music or anything you want to put out there?
At One Deuce Music, at One Deuce Music. You can follow me putting out some content, and follow me on at Mr. Universal Grind. It's at Mr. Universal Grind. I can't even talk straight. My lips is chapped and cold. At Mr. Universal Grind.
Yes, y'all. So I'll be linking that down below. So go follow him. Period.
And then I'm holding my phone over a bucket of water. Like, I can't.
Okay, so my sister, she is making the festive holiday cocktails, because you know it's not going to be a video without the cocktails. Correct. So she is making me a spiked hot chocolate holiday festive brush water.
Hey y'all, can you move? Hey y'all, look at me and my eggnog. Look at my outfit. Okay, got Yeezys, jumpsuit from Forever 21, and vest from Ross.
I want to make sure those are the right size.
You gotta give your all.
Yeah.
Oh, now you open me the vlog.
Y'all, his outfit don't get it.
OTD. You know what I'm saying? Nike sponsor me. I need a sponsorship. I really do. Tech Fleece, you know what I'm saying?
Hold on, let me get this.
I need a sponsorship.
So this hot chocolate that she made is busting, y'all, and I'm finna put this little chocolate spoon in here. Period. Oh yeah, y'all. We just got done taking a family photo, and we're just sitting here watching the sunset by the beach. And yeah, like that's basically what we're doing. What in the world?
Don't put this in the vlog.
I'm putting it in the vlog.
No, don't put it in the vlog.
Put it in the vlog.
It look even worse now. It had a hump in it, now got two.
So my sister, she made this bomb hot chocolate, and it's giving y'all.
Hey vlog, I just wanted to let y'all know that I hope you guys have a happy Christmas and wear your mask because there's a new strain of COVID.
Bro. Again, we're just sitting here enjoying the ambiance, so I'm gonna catch y'all when we get back to the house for the turn up. Period. So I'm gonna catch y'all back later.
Who wants smoke with us? Ooh, we should make
Cypher.
It's a cipher.
Running for the finish line. I go hard like cavemen, they so far behind. Like spike wheels. That mean why they stuck when they fight. I don't know what they might feel. I know that the motherfucker get wrong, then I just might kill. But I back it up though. Like I'm trying to figure out where they might go. I'm like walking over a tightrope, but I ain't gonna fall cause I might go light though. That mean I'm sucking all the fat off y'all niggas and losing weight, nigga. I'm coming through this bitch like tight code.
Autocorrect if you got a typo. What a god, man, shit is typo. I mean, shit, man, it's all about that typo. All about that credit. Hope you don't regret it. Shoot, what you mean, man? I'm the best of it. I'm the shit if you gon' bet it. Come on, talking about the football game, we gon' bet it.
Hey guys, so I'm back. I have on my witch pajamas that I reviewed in my last video. So now we're just decorating the Christmas tree. I'm gonna check back in with y'all once the turn up starts.